Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about the Domus line infrared sensor. Fit's LED lighting and accompanying sensors and accessories are from Domus line of Italy and have some great design features. Naturally, they're all approved for the New Zealand market. Something you really should check before you choose any LED lighting. The IR2 sensor is an incredibly versatile option. It's a dual function electronic proximity switch that will control any Domus line LED lighting. It also works as a non-contact on-off switch or as a door switch. It operates both at 12 volt and 24 volt and can be surface mounted or recessed into a 14mm diameter hole. It comes with a 2 meter long power cable and a distributor block.